If equipped, the stow and vac system makes minor cleanups a breeze. The vehicle must be in park and the ignition in either ACC mode or the engine on. To start stow and vac, pull the hose from the rear trim panel behind the sliding door on the driver's side of the vehicle. Then push the power button. The vacuum will run for 10 minutes if the engine is off, or continuously when the engine is on. Please note that if the engine is off, a low power light will come on after 9 minutes. Also, please be sure to use the vacuum in a well-ventilated area. For hard-to-reach areas, you'll find attachments in the storage area below the vacuum hose. You'll also find 4 feet of hose extension in the upper access panel behind the third-row seat on the driver's side. Make sure to clean and replace your vacuum filter and clean the debris bin as necessary. The filter and debris bin are located in the lower access panel behind the third-row seat on the driver's side. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.